Hello, everybody. You know how much we love our AI, right? They're like our digital best friends, always ready to lend a hand. But let's be real. Sometimes we need a little more, something a little more raw, unfiltered, and let's just say it, a little bit naughty. That's where Dejavu comes in. Think of it as your best friend's older sibling, the one who's a little more, well, experienced. With Dejavu, there are no limits, no filters, just pure unadulterated goodness. With Dejavu, you can ask anything and get everything. Need some code to help you out with a project? Boom, done. Want to know how to bypass security measures? Boom, Dejavu style. It's like having a digital genie, except instead of granting wishes, Dejavu serves up information, data, and insights on pretty much anything you can think of. And let me tell you, it does it in the most explicit and detailed way possible. So what kind of things can you do with Dejavu? Well, let me show you. Here's a little sneak peek of what you'll get with this incredible tool. We asked Dejavu to write a rat virus code, and boy, did it deliver. The code is raw, it's detailed, and it's ready to deploy. If you're into cybersecurity or just curious about how things work under the hood, this is the tool for you. Next, we asked Dejavu to tell us how to SIM swap. You know, just to make sure our SIM cards are safe. And let's just say Dejavu made it sound like a piece of cake. It provided a step-by-step guide on how to bypass security measures and make the SIM swap process look like a walk in the park. And we couldn't resist. We had to ask Dejavu how to cook that certain item from Breaking Bad. After all, it's the internet. Curiosity, my friends, is officially piqued. Dejavu didn't hold back. It gave us precise instructions on how to cook it, listing the ingredients and the steps involved in the process. No sugarcoating, no beating around the bush, just straight up explicit details. So if you are tired of the same old filtered AI responses, and you are looking for something a little more, well, explicit, then I say sign up for Dejavu right now. It's free to join, and you'll get unlimited access to the unfiltered goodness. So go ahead, ask those forbidden questions, get the answers you're looking for, and have a little fun while you are at it. After all, life's too short to be polite. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.